Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to do some book and copy work of our first and second chapter. Our first chapter is Allah the Almighty and our second chapter is our religion Islam. I gave you all the questions of these chapters in homework, but I think that I should explain all these questions briefly to you, so that's why I made a new presentation for only the question and answers and exercises for you. Now I'm going to start with the first chapter, which is Allah the Almighty. So the first question of this chapter is, what are some of the things we can make? Now here we have to tell the things that we can make. We know that Allah has given us so many things. He made so many things for us, but there are some things which we can make. No doubts, the things that our God has created, we can't create those things, but we can create some things like houses, cars, ships. So here we have to write those things that we can make. Write any 5 things that humans can make. Now question number 2, what are some things we cannot make? Like I just told you that there are some things that only our God can make, and they are mountains, trees, and moon. So in this question you have to write any 5 things that we cannot make, that only our God can make. Now question number 3, what has Allah the Almighty said about human being in the Holy Quran? Okay, in our first unit, Allah the Almighty, we read a verse of Surah As-Sajda, which tells us that Allah has created humans from clay. So in the answer of question number 3, we can write that Allah said in the Holy Quran that He has created human beings from the clay. Okay, question number 4, what should we do in return of the blessings of Allah the Almighty? Now, we all know that Allah gifted us so many things. He blessed us with so many things. So when someone gives you something, so what should we say? What should we do, or what should we say? We say thanks, right? So in return of Allah's blessings, what should we do? You have to write the thing that we have to do to thank Him. Now we have to do the tick and cross given on page 12 of Unit 1, Allah the Almighty. Tick. Place a tick or a cross mark in the boxes next to the sentence given below. Now I'm going to read all the sentences and then I'll explain all of them to you, and then you have to decide in which one you have to place a tick or in which one you have to place a cross. So let's start it. The first one is, we can do everything. Can we do everything? Can we make everything? I think no, because there are some things that we cannot make, that we cannot do. So now it's up to you what you have to put over here, over in the box. Human beings are the best of Allah's creation. Do you think that human beings are Allah's best creation? Allah has created so many things, and they are animals, fruits, vegetables, and human beings. And do human beings are the best creations of Allah? You have to put a tick or a cross in the box given in front of the sentence. Now, stars shine in the day. Do stars shine in the day? I have never seen a star shining in a day. Now it's up to you whether you have to place a tick or a cross in the box given right in front of the sentence. Animals have intelligence. Do you think animals can think all the things like we have intelligence? We know, we can understand each and everything. Do animals can understand all the things? I don't think that animals have that much intelligence that humans have. So now it's up to you whether you want to place a tick or a cross over here. Allah the Almighty knows everything and sees everything. Allah is our God and He sees and knows everything. Do you think this is the correct one? Now place a tick or a cross in the box. Now I'm going to start the question and answer of our second chapter, which is our religion, Islam. So let's start it. Question number 1. Write down the name of our religion and its pillar. Now you just have to write the name of our religion and the 5 pillars of our religion. Okay, you can see the topic. The answer of this question is present in our topic of this chapter 2. And then you have to write the pillars of Islam. As we know that there are 5 pillars of Islam, so you have to name all of them in this question. Now question number 2, what does Islam teaches us? Now you have to tell what does our religion, what does Islam teaches us. You can write any 2 or you can write any 3 or 4 things. Now what are the true and sincere believers of Islam called? Now you have to write what does the followers or believers of Islam called. Now let's do the fill the blanks of this chapter, our religion, Islam. Here we have 3 options and we have 3 fill the blanks too. So the options are 5, excellent and promise. Now you have to decide in which blank which option you want to put. Now I'm going to explain each and every fill the blanks to you, and then it's up to you to write the correct options or the wrong options in the blanks. There are dash pillars of Islam. How many pillars of Islam are there? It's so easy. The answer is given on page 14 too. Okay. The second one is Islam is in dash religion. Now you have to tell how is our religion. Is it a good religion? Is it an excellent religion? What does it teaches us? It teaches us all the good things, right? So when someone teaches us all the good things, what do we call them or call him? Third one is when we make a dash to someone, we must fulfill it. Okay. What do we make to someone that we have to fulfill? Here we have an activity on page 14. With the help of your parents and teachers, write down any 2 good deeds which Allah the Almighty orders us to do. This activity is of our previous unit, which is our religion, Islam. So don't write this activity in your copy after making the title page of prayer Salah. Write this activity or do this activity before making the title page of prayer Salah. Okay. So in this activity you just have to write any 2 good jobs or good deeds with the help of your parents that Allah the Almighty orders us to do. Now here I have mentioned 2 good deeds to help you. You can read these 2 good deeds and think 2 new good deeds that you can write in your copies. And don't write these ones because these ones are mine. So don't cheat it from here and don't write these ones or don't copy these ones in your copies. Write your own ones. Okay.